Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to answer some questions from Instagram as usual. And today we're talking mostly about how to become an artist, like a full-time artist, how to earn your money. And as a person that earns my money as a full-time artist, I have something to say about it, so I hope it will be useful for you. Let's go! By the way, what you see in the background is me drawing Marika. You should see our collaboration we did on Instagram. I drew her, she drew me, and it obviously looks amazing together. So check her out, it's Marika Boniuk on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. Alright, so the first question is from CJ Guthier, and he asks, how can I become a full-time artist? So it's like you have a part of your life, like a part you have to focus is the art and the other part is the business. So there are many different ways to earn money as an artist, to become a full-time artist. And you need to search up what kind of ways there are, and you need to think about how do you want to earn the money, because you can try NFTs. I don't know if it works. Like I earn from YouTube, from my brushes mostly, like really mostly. This is what I focus on. So you can do the same thing as me, but you need to search up all the options because there are a lot of options. Find your business focus. Like I said, NFTs or selling some digital artwork, selling the copyrights, drawing for people, making commissions, making comic books, making webtoons. There are so many ways and you need to search that up because I am not an expert in all of those fields. So search up, do a research, okay? Read a lot of business books. As the artists, we don't have business heads. We don't do business naturally. You need to learn it because this is the one thing that prevents artists from earning money, not learning the business part. So buy books about business, and I can now right away sell you one tip. One very important rule is it's called 20-80 rule, and it's about that always 80% of the income you'll get is from 20% of the time you spend. So always focus on the most important things because they are the core. So they will earn you the most money. And one thing I need you to know is it will take time, okay? I don't want you to go into it thinking it's easy and it's going to be fast because it's not. Art is a very difficult way to earn money. Like it's always been this way. So you need to prepare for that and do it like after school. This is the way you need to start. Like part-time, just for yourself, just in the evenings, you know. I don't say don't commit, but don't use it as the main income right away because it can be very unstable. For me right now, it's more stable. It's not as dangerous, but in the beginning, you really need to play it safe and do it after work or after school, a few hours a day if you can. And you need to build a community. Art is art. Like you need a public to see it. So you need to, in these days today, you need to build your social media. Doesn't matter what kind of earnings, what kind of way of earning your money you choose. You will need a community, but it has to fit the things you want to sell or the ways you want to earn your money, because you don't need hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram if you're going to make illustrations for children's books, you know? You don't need that. You need a community of people that write children's books. You need to find the right people and make them follow you. So question number 2, it's what was the first thing that came to your mind when you had more and more followers? Asked by Lukar Channel. So I get so much motivation that I miss it sometimes actually. It was some time ago and I would draw like every day, every chance I got, even when it was Christmas. I got a few minutes, I was running to my iPad and I was drawing, you know. I think everyone that experienced like big growth suddenly has that. It's a really amazing time, but that does fade over time. I miss it, I do miss it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to check out my brushes on my website aliciaprints.com and I will see you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.